Well, as you guys just saw, my camera fell. Could have been worse. Someone could have ran it over. But the only damage on the camera is actually just this road rash. Both lenses because of the lens guards. Oh, maybe a little scratch. Oh no, that's just dust. Yeah, so it's perfectly fine. Just a little rash right here, road rash. Little bit of rash there. Scuff here. Still usable. The little thing didn't break off, thankfully. But yeah, that sucked. Those lenses are actually warranted by Insta360, I believe, so I should be fine. I also bought the warranty for this in case anything happened to this, so I thought I was gonna have to use my warranty on that. Back to the video. That's the old blow off valve. We're gonna install this. And there goes the pin. Then this top hat comes off, but you need to get this pin out. So this is the one they actually send you. I actually have the old one on the ground. Let me go get it. So this one, you actually need to Dremel off. As you can see, I had to Dremel this one off, like a corner of it, or I guess there's no corner on a circle, but like a part of it to pry it off. But then this one, I just need to reflatten these tips and then it should work again. And now, then you can push this pin out and watch out for the spring because it will fly off. And then see how it's on those two rubber things? If you also go on this side, you can kind of see that it's also on the rubber thing. So just have to watch out that it doesn't fly off after you take this pin out. And then when you reinstall it, this will, oh, you guys can't even see. When you reinstall it, this will go over like that. And then that other rubber stop, this one, will go on the spring. So it'll sit like that, but the other way. You can take the shifter hat, or I guess that's what the dude calls it, off. And then this is the hard part when you need 4 screwdrivers. So there's these 4 tabs, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. You just have to push them in and then pry up, and then this whole thing will come out. There we go. After some time, we got it off. Then you have to use pliers to get that off. I just use a microfiber so I don't break it over the thing. And then you just want to lightly grip it, then just twist off like that. Then you have to take this off and put it on your new shifter, and this just slides off. Ow. And there's your old shifter, and here's your new one. So you actually have to take this off and then put this plastic thing down below like that. Then there's also a snap ring on here. I don't have snap ring pliers. I just use my picks and try not to bend the snap ring that much. But that is what holds the reverse lockout. So you have to take this bolt out, and then you can access the reverse lockout, because this black part will slide down. Why isn't this thing coming out? Oh, there. Then this slides down. There's a spring, a washer, and then there's the snap ring. Don't just slide it off, because then it's going to go flying and you won't find it. You just have to gently pry it off. Well, not like pry, but like just go at the same time pushing it off. There you go. There's the snap ring, and your washer, and the spring, and then this piece. Then you can put this piece back on like this. But I have to lube it just a little bit. I think that might be too much actually. And this just goes on top and then down. Oh, as expected. And just wipe away the extras and just move it around. Buttery. Alright, time to put this back. This also has some grease. I'm just gonna put back just a drop this time. Learned my lesson. And then this part matches up with this nub that sticks out. Oh. Then the spring, washer, and snap ring. Till it's in the snap ring position. I have to clean this also. Then you just pull this up and reinstall the bolt so that the reverse lockout works properly. I think the guy said not to make it too tight, so I'm just gonna go like that. That's it. Don't make these too tight. Alright, then don't forget about that plastic, that small plastic piece. So I'm just gonna lube it a little bit. And then in the video that Billetworkz has, you just wanna find a hard surface and then just put it on top. So like this, and then just push down really hard. And there you go, that's installed. And this is ready to go back together after I wash my hands and clean everything. Everything is non-greasy now. And then you just want to install this back. This just snaps down. Doesn't come out. Dang. It's not even installed yet, and the throw is super short. And that's when you want to install the pin. So the pin has like these flat sides, and you have to line it up or it won't go in. Alright, there we go. Then you want to take your new used, I think the dude said to use a 13 millimeter. Then you just want to hold this pin and then push it on that one. And now I have to flatten the pins, because since I pried the other one, or I pried it off technically, so I just have to push it down. Then don't forget about your pin that you also have to put back in this hole. Don't ask how those two tools were used to get this pin in, but it's in there. And now we can put this thing back, find the dropped bushing, and I guess test out how good it feels. And also, we'll install the new shift knob. I think I showed it to you guys already, but if I didn't, this is what it looks like. It's a performance blue. I said performance, I think. Oh, it's upside down. It's in Korean. But yeah, let's go back inside the car.